morning. Welcome back to the tavern and the Oasis. No, this isn't Tassus. Well, the video may or may not be up about Tassus. Not sure I'm ready to reveal that secret yet, but I may have revealed it by now. So you'll have to keep watching to find out. At any rate, it is Friday, August 22nd, I believe. Maybe the 21st. Let's take a look. 21st. Friday, August 21st, 2020. And you'd swear to God it was the end of September. It's, 15 degrees out. As you can hear, it's pissing rain. So I won't be using the camera much today. I probably won't even be out in the Oasis much today. I got a lot of indoor stuff I need to get done though. But I did want to give a quick rundown of what I'm up to, what's happening. And the Oasis has been pretty good this year. Lots of things have come together. We're still working on the deck. We're supposed to do the deck planking today. Supposed to get the planks up on the deck. We're not going to be doing that because it's raining way too hard. Got to do some wood moving. I'll wander around the Oasis today. I don't think I'll do some harvesting, but there are some stuff that needs to be harvested here at the Oasis. I just want to see a bit about what it is. I forgot my raincoat. Left my raincoat at home, so without the raincoat I can't be out here too long without getting thoroughly soaked. So I can also go into town, get a few things done I need to do in town. All in all, it's just one of those days, one of those weekends that isn't in the cards. Although tomorrow's supposed to be sunny. Let's really hope for the best and we get sunny. But it did start raining earlier this week and it's pretty much continued ever since. Been a really wonderful long summer. I'm going to have to dump all these videos all at once because I am now 4 or 5 weeks behind. So I'm just going to have to plow through the videos this week and get them all uploaded so I can get it all up to date, because having it out of date, out of sync is not a good thing. I need to be doing it more consistently. For those of you out there that are actually watching this, if you want to support me, please, start by clicking the button down below. Click to subscribe for new videos. I am becoming more consistent. I am becoming more consistent. My workload is easing up again, so that's freeing up time, and I do have other things that are starting to take up time. Products that I've been working on. I've been working on products that the Oasis will be selling. There's going to be herb packages. I won't be selling my extracts directly off the website, but they will be available at the farmer's market next year. But extracts, spice mixes, the membership section to the website to access the recipes. The biggest problem is getting in there and focusing and doing the work. That's all it boils down to, is doing the work. Like everything in life, it's always doing the work and making the time to do the work. Stay away from the television set and the YouTube videos. Now that's funny. You watching my YouTube videos saying, stay away from the YouTube videos. No, don't stay away from these YouTube videos. Just the other guys. The ones that eat up all your time. At any rate, there's going to be no tour of the Oasis this morning. We'll hold that until tomorrow when it's sunny or at least dry, because right now it's pouring rain. But what I will do is we'll point the camera into the rain and let it pick up the gentle, soothing sounds of the rain. So let's see how that does.
once more. It's a Sunday thing, that's everything. Daddy says I'm hungry, everybody finds your place. Just like every Sunday we begin by saying grace. Heads bowed down, hands joined round. Sunday supper with the family, ain't no better way to tell a week goodbye. Sitting round the table catching up with the people that you love. Good time. What this world needs is a lot more family. Sunday supper. Brother is relieved he wasn't laid off work last week. Sister and her husband say they're finally gonna be a mom and dad. Everybody's glad. Sunday supper with the family, ain't no better way to tell a week goodbye. Sitting round the table catching up with the people that you love. Good time. What this world needs is a lot more family. Sunday supper. Mama says her chemo's down to just one treatment left before she starts another round of all them pesky tests. And Daddy jokes, that's how he copes. Sunday supper with the family, ain't no better way to tell a week goodbye. Sitting round the table catching up with the people that you love. Good time. What this world needs is a lot more MBG. What this world needs is a lot more Maybelline. What this world needs is a lot more family. Sunday supper. Hear the sound of laughter as I open that front door.